Hello, seventh and eighth hour. I hope you're doing well. I'm still at home with my son, and I just wanted to show you what I would like you and Mr. Swaggerty to do today. Okay? Um, and for those of you in eighth hour, I have moved you over into Honors Arkansas History 7. Don't freak out because we are doing the exact same thing. You will be doing the exact same thing that seventh hour is doing. This was really actually for me to help me because it cuts down on my after school time. Believe me, it's a huge difference. All right. So yesterday, just as a review, you were supposed to work on the places to know, and hopefully you have finished that. If not, you can work on that and finish it on your own time. But today I want us to focus on geology. I am going to let Mr. Swaggerty open up the geology presentation, and I want you to take notes. So what it's going to look like is he's going to click on that. He can make this bigger from here, enter full screen, and there are these little sound bites that I have for each slide that I would like Mr. Swaggerty to play. So you can do the introduction and then go to the next thing. So you will see that you have your 2-column notes, okay? Just like we did with our vocabulary. I want you to do the same thing, all right? And you just write down everything that you see here. All right, so first in your notes, you want to put the land we call Arkansas, the natural state, and then a line, and then about a third of the way on the left-hand side, a line down, vertical. Here are big ideas, and here are the details on the right-hand side. And Mr. Swaggerty just let them write this information down while they are listening to me speak.
So the land we call Arkansas.
Just give them. Okay, I'm sure I'm just going to start all over again. So give them time, obviously, to.
It's also known as the natural state. Okay. And before you were born, it was called the land of Arkansas.
Okay, so there you go. So I was just going to give Mr. Swaggerty a little bit of time to get to the Moodle page. Hopefully it's there ready for you to go. If not, you may have to just log me back in. My Moodle, you just click on the Google, log in with Google, okay? But this is what I would like you to work on. Now, if you get done for some reason, because usually I like to talk a lot, you can go back to the natural state. There's some fun things that you can do in here on your own time. And I may let you do the whole hour next, like tomorrow. You can watch some videos about how the land is shaped, what forces shape the land. So after the presentation, there's some videos, 2 videos on the plate tectonics. And then we've talked about weathering erosion, and you can watch this video as well. Now, after that, or before it, either way, there's actually a game that you can play called the plate tectonics game. Now you click that, it'll take you to another link, and then you can click on the Arabian plate. So it's really cool geography thing that we'll work with more. All right. So there's a game that you can play. There's also a music video to watch about 3 types of rocks that you should learn about at the end of the presentation. Okay. We may or probably not get to the Arkansas Rocks and Minerals video. Perhaps we'll do that Thursday, question mark? We'll just see how it goes, okay? So there you go. I hope that gives you a good place to start. Now, how do I stop the video is the question.